Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be reviewing a wig by Bobbi in their first class hair collection in the style MH1332 CLAUDIA. I have CLAUDIA in the color natural black. CLAUDIA is unprocessed 100% human hair. She has no combs, just an adjustable straps, no lace to cut off, and this is what CLAUDIA looks like. CLAUDIA is of a medium-sized cap, no shedding, no tingling. It's just that my curls did not look anything like this, so I don't know. Mine didn't look nothing like that, not even on the pack. I don't know. So I went ahead and Bobbi pinned it right here just to give it a little bit of definition and pizzazz to match my face. But other than that, it's a great unit. Short, sweet, to the point. Love the color, and it's human hair, 100% human hair. So no tingling, no shedding, just you put it on and you style to your desire, especially since there's no lace to cut off. Nothing to do. Let us know down in the comments what you thought about how I styled it. Will you be picking it up? And if you are going to pick it up, we're going to leave a link down in the description for your convenience to purchase the unit. Don't forget to check us out on all our social media sites. Come back and join us for another wig review. Thank you guys. Bye guys.